Good evening, sleepyheads. Welcome back to Snore City. I hope you enjoy your stay here today. I thought it would be a fun and relaxing time to do some more puzzles. Right in front of you, I have a puzzle called Picture Path from an app called Puzzle Pages. They have a ridiculous amount of puzzle types, over 20 different types of puzzle, and hundreds and hundreds of puzzles within them. Picture Path is one of my favorite puzzles. It's a good time. We'll get into it in a second, but first, before we whisk you away into relaxation, make sure you've got some water by your bedside and you're all snuggled up and cozy. If you like sleeping with a plushie, get the plushie. Get comfortable, get cozy. And then we can begin. I have a cup of tea by my side. I don't record these at night time. I record them when I need to relax. And I hope that you find them relaxing too. Whether you are wanting to go to sleep or just wanting to have just a nice relaxing time. So I got my cup of tea here. Oh, that is a good cup of tea. That is a very good cup of tea. I'm gonna have another sip. You go back in for some more here. Oh, okay. So let's play some Picture Path, gang. So Picture Path, what was that? So with Picture Path, you see a bunch of circles with numbers in them. To complete this picture, you need to draw a line from one circle to another circle with the matching number, and the number dictates how many tiles that line takes, including the start and end circle that make it up. So you see all the squares are ones because that color just takes up the one tile, and that means that tile is the start and end, so it is colored in. So all the ones are done for us. So you see these pair of twos. This line takes two tiles, so the start and end are right next to each other. So all of these twos we can just complete, and it's real easy. Things get more tricky with high numbers, of course. So I usually like to go around the map scoping out for pairs of 2 and 3. Threes are also easy, because of course you can't pass the lines through other non-matching circles. So you see we have the 4 here, that's the only logical path for those two 4s to meet. So we've got these 7s here. So I'm sure you can understand how this game works and how it can get pretty damn complicated. I've done this enough to kind of see where things would make sense and where things wouldn't make sense. Like, I reckon this is a path for the 6, because if it's not, how are we gonna... What's gonna come up here? Nothing. A 6 has to back into that, and the only logical way out is here. Now this could go either way. It could go here, to be fair. Or it could go here. Because if we go here, then this 9 has nowhere to go. So it's gotta be over here. And this leaves a lovely little channel for our 9. Okay. I do believe we're making good progress here. Look at this. Oh, we're doing pretty well. This is a very big picture, however. No. Maybe. Maybe. I find this puzzle to be relaxing, typically. Because if you're stuck, just look around for an easy match. A pair of 2s you haven't done yet, 3s where they can only really do one thing. Interesting. And other little sensible channels like that. I do like that. We'll see, we'll see. Because there is, oh, maybe... Thing is, you can't go around here because those 5s don't have anywhere else to go. Okay, that works, that really works. There we go, okay, nice. Damn, we are acing this right now. Ah, no, this 9 needs somewhere to go. We'll get rid of those 2. Now you've got to be careful not to get too ahead of yourself, because sometimes one path may seem like the most logical choice, but it isn't. And then you get stuck and have to undo a bunch of your work. Always be careful. Perfect. Okay. So I hope you've been having a wonderful day. If your day is over, I hope it was good. If it isn't over just yet, then I hope the rest is a good and relaxing time. If you feel you need it, why don't you treat the comments like a little soundboard? Head down there and just write about how your day went, how you're feeling, any thoughts you have, and let the comments just be a soundboard for your inner thoughts and feelings. Because sometimes we do just need to let out what's in our head. The best thing is, you don't even need to post your thoughts. You can just let them be. You can type it out in the comment box and then just delete it. You don't need to post anything. That's the best part about it. We are acing this section. There we go, not bad. This looks like a kind of smartphone, maybe. Newspaper? Maybe a tabloid. Okay, things are heating up a little bit. Ah, that's you. Nice. No, I've made a grave error somewhere. Oh, that's rough. Thing is, you have to be you, right? Oh no, unless we do that instead. I'm gonna leave that one undone for now, because I'm not completely convinced I know what I'm doing with it. I mean, that does work. This green and grey and bright blue is a weirdly jarring color combination. Don't know if I like it. Yeah, I love blue, as I was saying in my color by number video. Love cyan. How did I miss that too earlier? Oh, wait a minute. Nice. Oh, maybe you, and then Bosh. Okay. You're doing so well here. No, come over it. There we go. Nice, nice. Your bush. Interesting. Could you be a little spiral like that? Oh, then you go around. Okay, okay, we're doing good here, we're doing good here. We've almost got all the greens down. Beautiful. And then finally, let's go back up here, try to solve this 10. Now that works. I don't know if I like that. I don't know if that's... because that could go a few different ways. Alright? I mean, that's ridiculous, but... like, it could be that way. Because you could also be like you. So I don't know just yet. Okay. Let's... wait. You don't go around. No. Okay, so... this is difficult. Oh, wait, no. We keep that open. And then... yes. Okay, that does work. Except, no, it doesn't. No, okay, okay. I think I've got ahead of myself a bit too much in different areas here. And I have opened up pockets of trouble. We have to go around then. Problem solve in a minute. Spend more time around here. I clearly haven't spent enough time in this little quadrant. No, go away. Okay, so you fit like that. And you could fit like that. It's just those four that need to be connected. You kind of split up the board here. No, okay, no, this works, this works. We can work with this. Could it be? It could be. Interesting. So are you like this, or are you like this? Ah, obvious answer. There we go. Awesome sauce. So, we are really making progress here. My only question now is, what are we colouring in? Is that a calculator? It's a calc? I'm placing my bets now. This is a calculator of sorts. Okay, we still have some work to be done. We are doing really well though. It's such a nice day here. Down south in the UK. Which is, of course, as most know, a pretty great surprise to have nice weather. even in the summer, because the summer is just usually some sort of thunderstorm sandwiched by a couple nice days, and that's summer. Come here. Okay. I kind of want to get this 10 done. In fact, I really want to get this 10 done just to get it out of the way because it's green. You know, it's green. I don't want any greens left. But I cannot be hasty. Interesting how these two can play out. Get back down here. Let's put an easy one here. Hey, come here. You have to guide these lines quite delicately. Oh, two there, didn't even notice that one. Beautiful. Okay. So we will soon close in on this green bit, and then we'll know how to solve it. You are likely down there to cascade to the left, and that gives us this. Beautiful. That's the green's done. That's a side's done. We are now closing in on victory. There we go. That's how those two shape up. Beautiful. Puzzle completed. As you can see, as you will see, I have played a lot of this game. I have done so many of these puzzles. I'll give you a little tour of the app. So down here in the green, these are all a bunch of different puzzle types. You've got cross out, cross sum, killer, Sudoku, picture block, which is another one I really enjoy. Wordy. That's new? Wait. Have they added new puzzles? Get out of here. We'll need to check all these out together. I really enjoy this game, this app. So when you click onto one of the magazines, and all these different pages are full of 6 different puzzles. If it's gold, that means it's one I've completed. So I have completed that cross out. You see with the badge there. The rest have yet to be tackled. So I cannot wait to play some more puzzles with you in the future. I am having a great time here at Snore City. I just wish you are also having a good time. Thank you so much for joining. If you are nice and relaxed, brilliant. If you aren't, however, watch this video again. Watch another one. I would suggest to play some puzzles for yourself. That is just going to wire your brain some more, so maybe don't do that. Again, make sure you have a glass of water by your bedside. Thank you for coming to Snore City today, and I'll see you next time. Have a good night.